June 12, they don't bring an answer. Now be the main democracy day. May 29. No be am again. Understand? We can take it from there.
All right. Before now, during the time where President Olusegun Obasanjo was president of this country, agitations day, even letters were written to the presidency say make him abeg, make him make June 12 democracy day, because that May 29th, they not even feel reason how come it take become.
Well, that's how they say swear.
When they swear the democratic elected president. I know, but because of the so many issues which surround the June 12, 1993 election, the need come say make we make that day the democracy day for this country. Obasanjo pass, yeah, I do you know. Good luck, Jonathan. Do your own. President Muhammadu Buhari can come now. He can't see reasons.
Can't do 3 years.
He do 3 years. You see, the third year, as one enter the 4th year, where election campaign go on start for 2019 election. You see reasons to, you know, bring that thing come the front runner. Big thanks to every person where
He contribute in one
way to make sure say president come out, come make this kind of pronouncement. But however, my brother, if we dey practice democracy for this country, we go also know say we suppose dey look democracy as a government of the people, for the people, and by the people. Democracy means say anything wey you dey do, you no get word of your own. Every decision wey you dey take na decision wey go through the laws of the land. For House of Reps yesterday, rowdiness na characterize plenaries.
You know what you're talking.
Wait now what are they talk?
You know what you did there. The word when we say you talk, I want to make it be say make people just know say see what you want to talk.
Yes.
So Victor, I want to make you take them from there. What do you feel about this June 12 when we say yes, Mr. President, up on paper and say now June 12 will be Democracy Day?
Na good thing, but
this bottom this, I don't know the light.
The time we supposed to take come, you know come.
I mean, no time wey they take fan wey you no see person fine give.
Okay.
You know, not leave that one. Na good thing, but not be only that Abiola. This man, this journalist, I don't.
Okay, what do they call him? Delegiwa.
Delegiwa. That man did. Everybody know waiting that man.
The role when play.
The role where that man play for this country. That one did there, nobody did think of her. Keseruwa. That one did there too.
Okay. You know what they did there? Let's say the things they want to say we will take. Or this one, we don't talk to them, we could take starter. You know, understand? When we start them, they will know what it is we want to talk now. The next 20 minutes or so, now we will get, or 30 minutes, we will take on this matter where we look. Now we will look at where we make we know how the thing will be. So as I say yesterday, you don't try to bring all the things when this for it's like you ask them and come out.
Yes.
Keep all of them. You can bring them come out after this time. I'm not going anywhere. Stay with us. With the Waka they go, the program Good Morning from Benin, the issue for independent television, may matter when we the program, we go always carry and they go because Nigeria matter. Many talk they follow us. So now I make our the year many talk there just now. We will need to carry Nigeria matter. So how do they do and right now? What they think of? So we must talk. Victor, now you will deal with just before we say we come out. They talk about this June 12 matter. You talk about the timing or something.
The timing. You're wrong.
Why you fought the timing?
Because these things are supposed to don't they take. These things now Obasanjo supposed to even do this.
You know great one. And this my brother tell you don't say.
Now
one person wake
only
up.
God know what how you go they feel now. You understand? See when former President Jonathan even did, the one way he's supposed to even do, you know, do one. Abiola, you know, do one.
Which one be Abiola? What you not do for you?
This
June 12.
June 12, you know, do one when be president. His brother.
Who be brother?
Ken
Saruwa.
you know do one. You understand?
Okay.
Before Buhari can't do this thing, so you see the way people they are happy. You understand? If now only this one Buhari can't do, for these 4 years, where for as president now say now only this one do before he come out, for life.
People go remember.
Generation to generation, according to one of our brother.
You go remember.
People go remember.
But people, some people
Inside
talk
illegality.
Wait, some people talk. Wait now, the illegality when they say you go talk if you see anyone.
Illegality.
If you see any illegality, you go talk. But some people talk. Yes, they watch some programs for television and the rest. Even the members of the opposition party talk and say, if they do all this one because say yes, you want to take 5 votes because say yes, 2019 don't they come? What they can take bill say bribe some people.
Those people will talk all these things. Now the people with me they see say at times I will say some people they get eyes.
They don't use until they see.
They don't use until they see. These are the people when they feel say if they get opportunity to even carry money, they go do works. These are the people when they
This
feel
one not
say
got to do with money now.
wait, these are the people when they see say now they see as people will not get this country
For mine.
for mind.
Okay.
Wetin he do? If you see wetin this man do so, where Buhari do so, where you trace history, whether he get anywhere where he and where he take get anywhere where he relate to Abiola, or he get anything to, they are not
They're
come
not
from-
friends. They were
they're
never
not
friends.
they not come from the same state. They're not with the same tribe and all these things. Wetin he do now for the benefit of Nigeria, now for everybody. May everybody know say something.
Now for the good of
Victor,
Wait,
now Mumu they ask wetin they plan for road of farm.
Wait, I dey
Wait,
come.
now I said because this one they talk say,
I dey come.
Thomas ask you say people don't they talk say now because of 2019 election with the economic.
Na lie. Those people.
Why you go talk say na lie? Now maybe they talk and say now Mumu now they ask wetin they plant for road of farm because in another 2, 3, 4 days you go terminate you go say 2019 now be with the look so. If you ask me,
My brother.
wetin people dey talk for outside now say this whole matter now June 12 democracy day e get relationship with 2019 election because the northeast now as e be where e be say okay na the same language you dey speak from there the signal clear say if the thing go change for them because of the killings wey don dey happen over time and the federal government of this country no get one thing wey they don do to make sure say
No,
those
no,
killings
not
stop.
everything when they don't. They do.
If they don't do-
they do, but the blessing
we
is killing
never
all
see
the
am
sins.
okay you never materialize we never see am
never fit-
until the old people wey dey benue die finish
No.
until old people wey dey adamawa dey die
No.
finish
Listen, you get the area when I want make you look. I'm not sure say anybody do when we say yes, the big drum, they happy say yes, people they die.
okay
I'm not sure say they. And I get the belief say yes, Mr. President, maybe they do what they feel, what you go fit do to ensure say this thing not be like this.
If people-
maybe the result when we say you want, it never come. Maybe like no, maybe the result, the thing for even worse past this.
no
one.
but let me want the result to wait
know.
you know say when you dey talk just now
That area-
when Peter
that
dey talk
area
just
when
now
they
he talk of matter during the benue killing wey dey say the inspector general police go benue
Right,
make he go stay there he no go
My brother.
so you dey tell me now say people no dey wey dey happy say
That one na for Kaba.
No,
Okay.
apart from Kaban, this one where they talk about killing. Truth don't say me they not talk am. You understand? Because me get that belief say if the presidency they want stop that killing,
The office stopper.
the office stop am. But wetin I talk before, I still talk am. Those people wey dey talk say e get reason maybe na to gain popularity. Those people
They not talk away.
they no talk am well, and these people no get this country for mind.
Okay, make we come for this one wey be say because
I dey
if
tell
you
you
look-
the truth.
Okay, if you look the democracy day now, because if you look at that democracy day wey be say we get before, I don't know how it take be now. Because now 29th May before na the time wey be say they swear in.
the first elected for 1999
You understand? 29th of May.
Yes.
And this one now they can't take a democracy day. But this one, the day when they do election, now be this one. You don't understand?
June 12 election
Now do 12 election.
wey for bring about the betterment
No, when
of
they-
this
when
country
we- when
wey
we-
people don dey say na so e
Eh,
suppose to
eh,
be for be
So now what are the talk? So how
Yes.
they ask now say one at the beginning, the other one at the ending. How I want to reconcile them now? And secondly, now whether we like them or not, you understand? Now, are we saying we go celebrate June 12, Democracy Day, on the 12th, then we will celebrate. I wish I would call the call 29, handing over.
May 29. Down.
Become a handing over day.
You know, say because of the irregularities with the elections, the date not the constant again.
Okay, because people feel go court.
Who will go court? Tribunal will come when they will swear this one case for different time. They want swear the other one. So that date now, you don't spoil. Those ones they are among the things where we see before, where make us beg Olusegun Obasanjo make it make June 12th the Democracy Day. Like I talked before, anybody, any man, any woman, we talk to President Buhari, we say June 12th make am Democracy Day. I thank them. But democracy, as I talked before also, now government of the people, by the people, and for the people. People must participate actively. Now also government where we say they follow rule of law. You know if you say they practice democracy, one arm of government will come out, don't make pronouncement of one word. You say make it day binding. That will not be democracy. As of reps, as I yesterday, rowdiness did there. Because a lot of persons don't stand and say, the executive not get right to declare public holiday by May speech.
About to subject her to
national assembly legislature. You right time must be to national assembly. See wetin I dey proposal because of this, because of this. We don't say I'm not say June 12. I the reason I make it.
Okay, Christmas Day for national district.
No, that one are universally.
No,
that one are universally.
No, not universally. Now for people where we say believe, where be Christians.
Universally. Now Christian not America.
Okay, if you talk.
When you president, that one where you dey talk.
I would round up now.
That one where you dey talk. Yes, if it be true, if it not be truth.
Not true.
Okay.
Say not true.
But wetin I want tell you now be say. They say when you get two pikin, you get the one, you get messages.
When you first send this one, get message and send the other one.
So he know the kind of people.
The kind of message we go send on.
Wait, he know the kind of people when he get for
National Assembly.
National House of Assembly for Abuja. Now, if na America, in a civilized country, this kind of thing not go happen. They will go there because as you see them there, many of them they not get the country for mind.
Okay, no problem. That one.
So if you send that kind of thing, go there.
The final.
Go get ahead.
Okay, no be matter when we say you go spend our time too much.
You not trust it.
I trust this matter because time no be our friend.
Because you not trust it,
time no be our friend, but I trust this matter we go still drunk.
True, see how you get the country for
heart. I hear we go end the program today. All of us will say get the country for heart. Make we do and where the way supposed to be so our country will go front Nigeria. Victor Erio, thank you so much.
Yeah,
we'll do this matter again. And Hilary I'm not going to move my hand. I think I easy.
Maybe they learn.
Okay, next week now we'll see. On behalf of my two brothers and Emma Akololo, my name is Thomas Ado. Don't forget to do what you will do to make Nigeria a better place. And a good morning.